Do you want to know how to open Notion on Startup on your MacBook? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. First of all, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then go to System Settings. Under System Settings, you're gonna have to look for the General option. Then go ahead and tap on Login Items and Extensions. Once you do that, look for the small plus icon which is on the bottom left corner of this first box here. Tap on it. Once you do that, go ahead and type in this shortcut with me, Command Shift and G. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go ahead and type in that squiggly line /applications/ then tap on Enter. Once you do that, go ahead and select the web browser, which is Chrome apps for me, then tap on Open. Once you do that, go ahead, go back and open Google Chrome. Well, there type in notion.com and log in, then copy the URL by typing on Command C. Now open new tab, then go to three-dot menu from the top right corner, then go to Settings. Under Settings on the top left corner, you'll see a three-line menu. Tap on it, then look for On Startup option. From there, go ahead and select Open Specific Page or Set of Pages, then select Add a New Page, then paste the URL you just copied by tapping on Command V, then tap on Add. And guys, that's it. That's how you open Notion on Startup on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.